Hello mga palangga, magpalain ta karon no aniya kita niini nga tong mga hisgot-hisgot may tungod niya nang when a senior citizen joins YouTube who knows nothing about technology. So mo kanay ato ang discussion karon no. Ato sa ihikli ng mga uban-uban pang mga balatian because sumol man sad balik-balik ta niya ng mga unsa pa diha no. So ari kita karon niining lain usab nga topic nga I feel nga importante usab no. So akong i-share kaninyo akong experience kanibang akong pagka-ilusyonada, akong pagka hambugira baka or kanabang doon nagyud ko'y mga vision pagyud nga gusto ko nga ma-accomplish gina nako. So it started back in August 8, 2021. Sige gyud kong I keep on nudging my nephews nga gamil di ko ninyo ang YouTube channel because I really want to be in that platform kay aron malingaw pud ko senior citizen na biya ko and then gusto kong dili mag-boring ang akong kinabuhi. And so tuon man gigamán ko nila ang YouTube channel. And so I uploaded my first video. Dili gito intended para YouTube, para to sa Facebook pero akong gi-upload diri sa YouTube and mayo ba siya until today kana nga video nako nag-increase ang mga views no for almost a year nag-increase gina siya because evergreen content ang akong gipangpili. Evergreen content, when we say evergreen content kana bang walang pagkukupas all time gina siya nga research no. So mao kana siya then gisundan pa katuglain hangtod nga today I have published more than 200 videos, long form and shorts, no? So mo kana 200 videos na. At first, alanganin ko because nabakamtanaw sa ako ang mga videos knowing that aside from being a senior citizen, PWD pagyud ko. I can the viewers accept me nga PWD man ko nya tiguang pagyod, no? So I just try my best to upload anything consistently, no? And so wala po ko mapakyas because as of today, as what I have said, I was able to publish more than 200 videos, no, long form and short, sa ako nang ginaingon. And then I have 1,580 subscribers as of this recording and ang ako ang watch time hours na ana sa 2,700 plus 780 or 75 plus watch time hours. So may na tong I am almost there no. So I would like to encourage everybody, sige man kung makakita sa mga comments nga keep on grinding, keep on working hard until because one day we will be there. So tinuod man ako, I really don't know about any technology. I do not know how to use laptop or computer or desktop. Ang ako gyud ang ako ra yung unsay nga ni cellphone nga Samsung S5. Mao ra gina until today bisan karon kaning pag-record nako, I am using my Samsung S5. So ingon ana no, there is no harm in trying nga aron bitaw ta malingaw pod or i-consider lang na siya nga hobby nga kana bang kon bored kita sa life sa atong kinabuhi pag-record of video, just record a video then publish it. Mangutana tingali mo, am I editing my videos? Sad to say, I do not know how to edit. So this is unedited, unfiltered, tanan. No, wala yun na siya. What you see is what you get. Wala ko'y editing because I do not know how to edit. Wala ko'y mga unsa-unsa pa diha because mo lagi ta ko ingon ninyo nga when a senior citizen joins YouTube who knows nothing about technology. But then I am dili ko katutok anang mga edit because of my eye, no? Because of my eye, defective ding akong mata. So, I cannot really concentrate on practicing editing. to make my video more attractive to the viewers, which lisod na on my part. So, I just get my cell phone and then ibutang ako sa tripod. Then, I have to talk, blah, 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 blah. And then after that, publish. No editing whatsoever. This is a raw vlog, no? Ang ako ang mga vlog tanan. So, if YouTube will consider me or sees me, the algorithm, and then I know that one day, one of my videos will be, you know, a little bit popular. I don't want to use the term viral because ambisyosa rasad ko kaayo, ilusyonada rapud ko kaayo if I'm going to use the term viral. So it is, I am contented if mahimo lang siyang popular, no? Mahimo lang siyang popular, and then people will notice me. YouTube people will notice me, or the viewers, and unsa pa na diha. So as of now, I have 1,580 subscribers, which I already qualify for the first requirement of YouTube to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and naanak ko'y na accumulate nga 2,700 plus watch time hours. So I know that before the end of the world, I will reach that 4,000 watch time hours. So I'm just kidding, just to make you laugh, no? I know that before the end of the millennial of this year, I will reach 4,000 watch time hours. So to you there who is a struggling YouTuber, don't worry. Keep on grinding, keep on uploading consistently. If it hits, well and good. But if not, well, it's not yet our time. So, just upload consistently. Now, if you're going to ask me what consistent is, on my part, I used to upload, there was a time that I uploaded my videos on a daily basis, and then there was also a time that I uploaded my videos every other day, or twice a week, or weekly, but then publishing videos once in every 2 weeks, I did not experience that. Usually it is 3 times a day. 3 times a day, no? So that's my meaning of consistent. If I feel bad, if I feel depressed, if I feel stressed out, I will publish video to lighten up my day. So this is my way of cure to anything negative emotional problems. I will publish video of any sort. If it hits, well and good. If not, well, as long as I have published video. Of course, my videos are all evergreen. So I have to master this thumbnail editing. Although this is a very simple editing the thumbnail, but on videos I don't edit my videos because I knew nothing about technology. It's only now I know what thumbnail is all about after I joined YouTube. But aside from that, I knew nothing about thumbnail. I keep on asking, what is thumbnail? What is thumbnail? So I really don't know it. But now, nakabalon ako unsa nang thumbnail. So muna akong gina-practice gyud. And so mula na akong sharing karon when a senior citizen joins YouTube who knows nothing about technology. And so here I am. I am not planning to quit because a winner never quits and a quitter never wins. So persevere, patience, consistency, dedication, and all those positive traits to be successful. No? So, mo to ang atong sharing karon. I have my second channel, which is I started to struggle. June 4, my first upload. As of now, I have 5 subscribers. Amor Shares, no? It's everything about the Bible, about faith, about tanan na bahin sa Bible, no? So wala na ko na ginaipon diri kay kanigong Amor Cares is murag secular nga klase sa channel katong usa spiritual in nature. So mo lang kada ang ako ang ika-share karon. Please continue to subscribe, comment, like, no? And have a good and godly day, everyone. Keep on grinding. One day you will get there, no? So just be patient, just persevere, no? Somebody up there is looking at us. So just fair play lang yun ba? Kanang makakuha tag subscriber nga sila gyud mo subscribe, makakuha tag viewers nga sila gyud mo view, no? So ingon ana. So have a good and godly day, everyone, and hangtod sa sunod natong paghisgot-hisgot sa mga hisgutanan nga dunay kalambigitan sa atoang kinabuhi. Bye for now, o salamat kaayo.